Use the drop-down menus to select the answer choice that answers each question based on the information presented in the graphic. The table shows two columns, Setting and Value. Row 1, Subscription, Azure Pass Sponsorship. Row 2, Resource Group, RG1. Row 3, Host Pool Name, Host Pool 1. Row 4, Location, West Europe. Row 5, Host Pool Type, Pooled. Row 6, Max Session Limit, 10. Row 7, Load Balancing Algorithm, Depth First. Row 8, Resource Group, RG1. Row 9, Name Prefix, VM. Row 10, Virtual Machine Location, West Europe. Row 11, Availability Options, Availability Zone. Row 12, Availability Zone, 3. Row 13, Image Type, Gallery. Row 14, Image, Windows 11 Enterprise Multi-Session. Row 15, Virtual Machine Size, Standard D4S v3. Row 16, Number of VMs, 5. Row 17, OS Disk Type, Standard SSD. Row 18, Use Managed Disks, Yes. Row 19, Virtual Network, VNet1. Row 20, Boot Diagnostics, Enable with Managed Storage Account Recommended. Row 21, Subnet, Default 10.0.0.0/24. Row 22, Network Security Group, Basic. Row 23, Public Inbound Ports, None. Row 24, Specify Domain or Unit, No. Row 25, Domain Join Type, Active Directory. The options are Option A, 5. Option B, 10. Option C, 15. Option D, 30. Option E, 50. Option F, 150. Option G, across 5 separate session hosts. Option H, on a single session host. Option I, across 3 separate session hosts. Let us consider what this configuration entails. We are looking at an Azure Virtual Desktop host pool deployment with specific settings, such as pooled host pool type, a maximum session limit per host, and a depth-first load balancing algorithm. Understanding how the number of virtual machines and session limits interact with the load balancing method is key to determining both the total capacity and how user sessions are distributed. In my view, the correct answer for the maximum number of concurrent user sessions is option E, 50, and the answer for where the first 5 sessions will be created is option H, on a single session host. To understand why, let us break down the configuration. We have 5 virtual machines in the host pool and a maximum session limit of 10 per virtual machine. Multiplying 5 VMs by 10 sessions gives a total capacity of 50 concurrent user sessions, which makes option E correct while eliminating the other numerical options. For the second question, the configuration specifies a depth-first load balancing algorithm. Depth-first load balancing fills up one session host to its maximum limit before sending any new user sessions to the next host. Since the limit is 10 and we only have 5 incoming user sessions, all 5 sessions will be placed entirely on the first session host, making option H correct. When tackling Azure Virtual Desktop scenarios on the exam, always pay close attention to the load balancing algorithm. Remember that depth first packs sessions densely onto individual hosts, whereas breadth first distributes them evenly across all available session hosts.